Morning, continues of previous session by Vaniprabha, Associate Professor. So we are discussing about protocol stack. In Bluetooth communication, the protocol stack is organized into layers, whereas each layers is responsible for specific aspects of communication process. So the following are the important layers in Bluetooth protocol stack: baseband layer, link manager layer, SEO links, ACL links. Baseband layer. The baseband layer is the lowest layer in the Bluetooth protocol stack and is responsible for the physical and medium access control aspects of communication. It handles tasks such as packet formatting, error detection and correction, frequency hopping, and timing synchronization between devices. The baseband layer also defines two types of links: SCO, synchronous connection oriented links, and ACL, asynchronous connectionless links. The drawing, this picture represents the baseband layer. The baseband layer specifies the lower level operations at the bits and packet levels. For example, also it concentrates on forward error corrections, FEC, encryption, cycle redundancy check, retransmissions using automatic repeat request ARQ protocol. And the picture describes the link controller which paves communication in bidirections or in both directions with the help of link control protocol. The next layer is link manager layer. The link manager layer resides above the baseband layer and is responsible for establishing and maintaining connections between Bluetooth devices. It handles tasks such as device discovery, authentication, encryption, and link supervision. The link manager layer also manages the SCO and ACL links established by the baseband layer. Link manager layer specifies the establishment and release of SCO and ACL links, authentication, traffic scheduling, link supervision, and power management tasks. It is also responsible for physical link resources in the system, handles the control and negotiation of packet sizes used when transmitting the data, set up, terminates, and manages baseband connections between the devices in use, establishes different types of links like synchronous and asynchronous dependent on request from the L2 cap layer. These are the control plane tasks. This layer is not involved in user plane tasks, that is, handling of any data is not done in this layer. It just monitors or controls the task. Link manager layer, it simply manages or directs the activities. Link manager layer is also a bidirectional layer. This comes under host controller interface and it is simply controlled by link manager protocol LMP. Next is followed by SEO links, synchronous connection oriented links. SEO links are used for synchronous communication such as voice, data transmission in applications like hands-free calling or audio streaming. These links provide a dedicated point-to-point connection with reserved bandwidth and fixed timing for real-time data transmission. SEO links are established and managed by the baseband layer. This link provides a circuit switched connection. Here the data is regularly exchanged, are used primarily for carrying time-bounded, real-time data, either audio or video, where large delays are not at all allowed, so that retransmission can't be used and occasionally data loss is acceptable. The guaranteed data rate is achieved through reservation of slots. The master maintains the SEO link by using reserved slots at regular intervals. The basic unit of reservation is two consecutive slots, one in each transmission direction. An ACL link must be established for signaling before an SEO link can be used. ACL links, asynchronous connectionless links, are used for asynchronous communication such as data transfer between devices for filing, sharing, messaging or internet connectivity. These links allow for packet switched communication with variable bandwidth and supports features like error correction and retransmission. ACL links are also established and managed by the baseband layer. It offers packet switched data transmission where data is exchanged sporadically as and when the data is available from higher up the stack. No bandwidth reservation is possible here and delivery may be guaranteed through error detection and retransmission. A slave is always permitted to send an ACL packet in a slave to master slot only if it has not been addressed in the preceding master to slave slot. Data can be sent in two ways, unprotected way and protected way. Although ARQ can be used at a higher layer in unprotected way, but protected within a two-third rate of forward error correction code. And this is the table that represents the symmetric and asymmetric bit rate of different types DM1, 3 and 5. DMX XLOT FEC encoded is relatively low and DHX XLOT unprotected is relatively higher. Thank you for listening. Thank you.